Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course Microsoft is pushing for us to have AI-driven features in Windows, and whether you like it or not, it's going to happen, and it's going to happen on a lot of apps that are installed too. And actually, two apps that will benefit from this that's now starting to appear is the Paint app and the Notepad app with the Canary and Dev channel testing AI. So if we focus on Notepad, what's going to happen is that when you update your Notepad, and it's specific to so only a few countries, and once again, one of the things that I hate is that Microsoft is testing it on some, the A/B testing they're doing. Some have it, some don't. I don't. I would have loved to have it. I want to try it. So if you have the Notepad that you can sign in to your Microsoft account, what happens is that the AI feature will actually be kind of cool because it will help a lot of people, I think, that write text and want to maybe rearrange a text or not, experts at writing. We're not all, writers, and that could be very helpful. And an example here is from Bleeping Computer, where they are showing that a text that will exist in Notepad, and you notice that they are logged into the account, will actually have a feature where the AI generated content might rewrite parts of the text, might simplify things. You're going to ask it exactly what do you want to have. Do you want to extend a paragraph to make it longer? What type of tone do you want to give that language that you have in that paragraph, the format, and so on. So all you'll have to do is simply select a piece of text and then see what AI generated content it will actually create with that. And I'm pretty sure this will be very, very helpful as long as what's added or changed is correct. And that's the biggest problem with AI right now, is the accuracy of whatever you're trying to do with it. But I think this is a great feature that will be in Notepad. Notepad has started in 1983. It's the first time Notepad existed. And Notepad has been pretty much part of Windows forever. And now, since about 2018-19, they started to play around with Notepad and improving it. It had stayed the same and so long. But slowly, things are going to actually be better. So AI, it's making it to the Dev and the Canary channel. We're expecting this to eventually, sometime early next year, that it will actually be on every PC with Windows 11. And this will ensure that you have the capabilities. So to have this, if you have Notepad, you'll have to make sure that you can sign into your Microsoft account. The other thing also is that you'll have to check what version you have. It starts at 11.2410.15.0. Mine is at 16. It's even more advanced. So this is going to be a feature that is going to be available eventually to some of the users of the Notepad. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.